So if you guys saw my other video, you know, I asked you guys to put questions in the comments, and then I will answer them here, and that's what I'm doing. Sorry I didn't post a lot yesterday. I was busy looking at miniature donkeys we might get. They're so cute. I got to pet one. I'll add a photo at the end of this so you guys can see how cute they were. Anyway, on to the question. Are the pipe cleaner spiders still alive? Yes. I only have 2 because I lost like 3 of them, and my cat actually took one of them too. So I don't know where that one ended up. But I have 2 of them. I like these questions. So we'll start with the first one. My favorite color. My favorite color is definitely dark green. Yes, I have 3. I have one from when I was little. She doesn't have a name, and I don't even know where she is. I lost her, but I also have one Douglas from Bass Pros, which is the Springer Spaniel. Her name is Iris. And then I have one just off of Amazon, you know, and that's the German Shepherd. His name is Harvey, and I love them very much. I actually took Iris out on an outing with me to look at the miniature donkeys we might get. It was so much fun. What I do in my free time is this. I record. There's a plane. Sorry, there was a plane, but I love playing outside and recording videos for you guys. It's just so much fun. Someone in the comments of that video also said they subscribed to me. Thank you very much. This is a miniature donkey we might get. His name is Cookie because he looks like cookies and cream. Look how cute he is. Another picture of some miniature donkeys. They're so cute. If there are any more comments on that video or on this video of questions, I will definitely make a part 2. I love this so much. This was so much fun. So that's it for today. Bye.